do like control.
Good morning, guys. So this morning I decided to do a full day of eating for you guys. I'm just gonna take you guys throughout my day and show you guys what I typically eat through the day. This will be in according to my macros, so I'll show you guys what I eat. I usually try to do what's easy. And Mila is looking at the camera. In the morning I usually try to go for what's easy, and I'll usually 2 or 3 boiled eggs on coffee and a yogurt, and I'll show you guys that now. So guys, my 2 favorite go-to yogurts. It only used to be 1 until yesterday. I found a new one. They have the best protein carbohydrate ratio. This one has 0 grams of fat, total carbs is 23 grams, and protein is 18 grams. And Chobani, this one has 0 grams fat, 23 grams of carbs, and 20 grams of protein. So, go-tos. In the mornings when I finish my breakfast, I usually take out what I am going to eat for lunch and usually for dinner.
I have been doing Rebecca Louise workouts for a while, and I really like them because they have a level of difficulty that I love and they challenge me. I also love that all of her videos are shot in different tropical places, and her personality is energetic and joyful, so I love doing her workouts.
I'm dying already. So my sister went away and she bought Mila this little jumper thing. So we're gonna set it up. How does it feel being in your jumper? Standing up? Yeah? This is interesting, isn't it? I think I like it. Yeah! Mila. So guys, we have someone who joined us after their nap. So I know I've talked about this before, but I always have a protein shake after my workout, and it helps me get in the right amount of protein that I need to get in. And I'm sweating like crazy because that was a difficult workout. That was a HIIT workout today. My protein has 4 grams of fat, 4 grams of carbs, and 30 grams of protein. I will enter that into my FitnessPal, and my FitnessPal really helps me to track what I need to, and it shows me all my macros for the day. So I will show that to you guys when I get a chance to enter in my foods for the day. So that is my first snack of the day. I just fed Mila, now I'm about to make my own food. So now I'm gonna do some baked fish, and I'll show you guys how I make it. Seasonings I put on was some swai fish. So I'm gonna I have a food scale, so I'm gonna measure that out. So we'll see how much that goes. So now I'm getting a snack. I am starving in between my lunch and dinner. And it is 3 o'clock. To grab a quick snack and usually full of protein, I usually grab this. I think I'll go either do turkey or chicken. I'll do turkey. So I usually grab this and a stick of cheese. So go to snack. And what is so nice about MyFitnessPal is that if you don't know, if you just have the food there, you can just take a picture. Just click that and it will take a picture of it and tell you how much is in it. So that is perfect, so you could just enter it in right there. So I had that amount, and then I'll do it with this cheese, and then perfect. So it has, the cheese has 1 gram of carbs, 4 grams of fat, and 8 grams of protein. The turkey slices has 0 grams of carbs, 0.5 grams of fat, and 10 grams of protein. I will sit down and have a quick chat with you guys about what my macros are. I have calculated out my macros. My caloric intake for me to lose weight is supposed to be 1,575 calories. Based on my height, my weight, how active I am. And so that also determines my macros, which is protein, fat, and carbs. I'm supposed to take in 165 grams of protein, 66 grams of fat, and 80 grams of carbs. So I had breakfast, a snack, which was my protein powder, lunch, and another snack. So far I've had 104 grams of protein. I need to get to 165. I've had 48 grams of carbs. I need to get to 80 grams of carbs. And I've had 26 grams of fat, and I need to get to 66 grams of fat. Tonight I forgot that we're actually going to a birthday party. So what I'm going to do is try to, since I've been doing this for a while, before I had Mila, I am going to kind of guesstimate what I should have to fit the rest of my macros and go from there. And I will show you guys what I have at the party. Hey guys, so I'm just getting to record this next part of the video, the end of this video, the next day, and I just wanted to finish telling you guys what I ended up eating at the party. So there were a few different flatbread pizzas to choose from, and so I picked the one with the most protein, which was sausage and pepperoni. And then she had cupcakes for her birthday, so I had a small red velvet cupcake. So after having that, I entered it into MyFitnessPal, and I stayed around what my limit was. I didn't hit my protein, but I went a little over the carbs. That was fine. It happens sometimes, and I'm not going to beat myself up about it. My goal is to just try and hit it every day and just try to stick to it. So please hit the like button below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace and love.